Guys, good afternoon guys. So now guys, we are in the car Tahoe 2020 model. Okay, now I am going to change the okay, by using automatic changer. Okay. So now I have something to show you. I will put the camera in back to see the process. Okay. Now no debris for torque converter, but we have debris small sign of any normal operating the clutch. Okay, and metal inside. This is dust for in the transmission like this. Now I will going to clean. This is the Sharia assembly at the same. This is the filter old, and I change this filter. Okay, clean, and I will change the filter. I will change the gasket, and I will clean this oil pan. Okay, transmission oil pan. So this is debris in the magnet. Yani not too much bad. Okay, ini normal. Okay, so now I already fixed the hose. I already fixed the hose because we have two line from this converter, the transmission. This is the line for the cooler, transmission line cooler. So this one is going to the cooler. This pipe going to cooler, and this also going to cooler. Okay. So now I make adapter this side. So if you see, I already connect the hose, and in the one side I already connect the another one adapter. Okay, and that two adapter I will put the hose, this hose, these two line, and this one is for drain. This line is for a drain. These two line is for the transmission cooler pipe. Okay, and this is the adapter. Okay, so and this is a Barga Center auto repair company. Okay, so this is Tahoe 2020 model. Okay. This is the new filter. Okay, and this is the new oil filter seal. Okay, this seal is fixed in the oil pump. Okay, and this is the special tools used to fix this seal. Okay, and this seal is on this side. In the side, okay, this side you need to fix, and this is the old. I already removed the old, so this is the old, and this is the new. Why I replace this seal? Because this seal is not good. It's better. It's still working, but it's better if you change a new one. Because see, this little bigger. This still new. Okay, and when the filter fix, then it's better. It's good. It's good to hold. Okay. So now I fix this, and we'll go to the process for changing. We'll go to the process for changing the APF by machine. Okay. Already fix the new seal. As you can see, I already fixed. Now I fix the filter. Guys, now this is the oil pan. I already cleaned. This is this new oil pan gasket. Okay, this is the old. This is the old. This is the new. I already replaced. Now clean. Okay. This is the filter. New filter. This is the old. Okay. And I already cleaned this side. And now I fix the oil pan. So, ito na mga idol. I already fixed the oil pan, transmission pan. Okay, and I already fixed the socket, the pipe. Okay, so the two pipe I already fixed. Now I put the transmission oil for the transmission. Okay, and I put the oil in the machine, the new oil. Okay, guys. This is the fluid, X26. So this is the new fluid. So I put here, and I already put the 12 liter. You see the two carton, one carton 6 liter. I fix all 12 liter, and another 2 liter. Yani total 14 liter. Okay, because we have need to change all. That's why I put 14 liter, okay? So, okay. So this is the last one. Okay, so this is the old transmission fluid. So for now, the fluid inside the transmission, I think 7 liter like that. 7 liter, okay? Because we already drain 6. This is 6 liter, okay? So now I did not return this oil because this oil is not good. I have another oil and extra. I fix 6 liter in the transmission, and let's continue the video to see the process. Okay. Okay now guys. So the direction here. Okay. Huh? Now I put 11 liter. So we have not there press change value. Okay, run. Okay. So now I press okay. So this is yours, this is new. Now this is the new oil, this is the use. Okay. Now it's already dried.